Welcome to Brainsight. Reveal with predictive eye tracking what instantly gets across to your website's visitors, impacting split-second decisions to stay or bounce, or assess how visual hierarchy drives their journey, guiding them through pages and towards CTAs. Upload a URL or image to analyze where visitors focus their attention when landing on or scrolling through your website. Clarity predicts if your layout supports easy visual and cognitive processing for intuitive decisions. Is your design clear, or is clutter overwhelming users, causing underperformance? Heat maps are the cornerstone of your analysis. Peek-throughs show what is instantly seen and what's not, and gaze plots give you insights into visual hierarchy, like viewing order. With areas of interest, you can validate design objectives and assess if elements such as CTA, key message, or brand assets stand out sufficiently. This is also helpful when analyzing design variants. Select up to 3 designs in the dashboard and compare them to see which design choices might contribute to your goals. After validating your assumptions, you have potential winners to add to your A/B testing backlog that is now based on data-informed variants. Brainsight's GenAI function helps you to interpret the scores and guide you on insights and optimization. It shows which elements users associate with your brand or message, like a 5-second test, and provides guidance on goal-oriented scores, including suggestions for optimization. If you want to share this analysis with other stakeholders or clients, easily download them in a structured PDF or PowerPoint presentation. This report comes in a standardized Brainsight format, but you can have it branded and tailored to your needs so that you can make your internal or advisory processes more efficiently. If you choose for a scrolling heat map when uploading your URL, Brainsight predicts how visitors visually scroll through your landing page, showing their intuitive viewing behavior. This option lets you experience your pages through the eyes of your users. Use the peek-through to see what key elements are instantly noticed or may be missed. After your analysis, you can download your insights or generate a shareable URL. The share option gives recipients a dynamic view-only page to explore insights interactively, accessible without a Brainsight account. Now you know what Brainsight can do. Start optimizing your landing pages for UX and boosting CRO through visual hierarchy. Ready to dive deeper? Discover how it works.